full disclosure, this was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Dude, this is heavy. Whoa, right here, we got the Magiccos food processor. This is 1000 watt, 14 cup food processor. This thing is crazy. Open up the food processor with power. Food processor, there we go. So you got a spatula of some sort to scrape the inside of the container. May I help you? Nice, customer service is always important. We got some instructions right here, manuals, instructions, quick start guide, all the good stuff right here. We'll put that to the side. So here it is, the food processor. Man, here, this thing is big, guys. Okay, we got it. Here we go. Wow, oh shoot, there are sharp blades in here. I have to be careful. So what do we have? We got this piece right here. Good quality plastic right here. This is where you insert the stuff to chop up, like fruits, vegetables, all the good stuff right here. And this thing is nice quality plastic right here. Solid. This is the top right here. And the opening right here to put food in and to put it down. Nice. Okay. We got that. What else do we have in here? Oh man, we got some crazy blades right here. Some crazy blades. Really sharp blades. I gotta be careful. This is no game, guys. This is like real sharp blades right here. You see, it's packaged really well. You see, the blades are protected. So once you're ready to use it, you can open it up. Oh man, these are the blades right here. The blades, the power, really sharp blades. Boom! You can chop and dice all your vegetables, your meats, your onions. Oh yeah, food processor, large size. Alright, so we got the blade right here. Gotta make sure I don't hurt myself. What else do we have? It comes with this thing right here. Alright, what else do we have in here? This one is the plastic one. This is the bowl, right? So then, we got this thing. We put this thing right here into the bowl. Yes, right here. And then we put the blade on top of that thing, like right here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Perfect. So this one, you put the blade into this and this thing into the bowl. Oh, dude, we got some disc right here. We got the mashing plate right here. Nice. We got the slicing plate right here for slicing plate right here. And of course, we got the reversible grating plate. Yes, reversible grating plate. We got the food processor. Nice. Here's the Magiccos 7-1 food processor. Sweet. Check it out. This thing has a nice white, and you obviously a plug right here, plug into wall. You put your bowl on top of here. You turn it on. You have the speed setting right here. You have some presets, and you got some speeds. And yeah, I think this is an indicator that has some display. So it's pretty nice. You have a digital display, I believe, LCD here. The quick start guide. Here, this is how you do it. 3.5 liter digital food processor. You got 7 speeds, all this thing right here. Guys, this is the instruction. That's how you put the things in. You unpack, then you do that, then you do that. This is how you put it together. Very simple, and you operate. It's easy to clean. You place on the lid. You have the grater right there. You have put stuff in the bowl. Pretty simple. Very versatile right there. And yeah, let me see how you actually turn it on. So you see right now the power button is on. But if you wait too long, the power button will turn off. Like, give it a few seconds, it will turn off. Or if you just plug it in and this thing is not locked, you see how the power button is off. So here we lock the bowl, the power button is on. So we push this for 2 seconds, 1, 2. Now you have the digital indicator right here, the digital display. Look at that digital display. Amazing, cool, right? Perfect. All right, now you can push the power button right here. You can change the speed. You can play. Oh, there it is. It's operating. It's spinning. The blades are working. You pause it. Nice. There's a second. There's a timer. Here we go. Here's look. Listen. There it is. There's the food processor working. Dude, this thing is powerful. Though this thing is spinning so fast. It's crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is aggressive. This is a massive food processor. 14 cup, 1,000 pound. This is the 7-1 food processor right there. Yo, we're gonna cook some good food with this. This thing is powerful. It looks good. Easy to clean. There we have it. From first impression, unboxing, looks nice. The white actually has some sparkles in it. If you look really closely, the white has some nice sparkle flakes in it. It's really nice white. Really cool. Looks good. This thing has so much power, it scares me. 7-1 food processor. There you have it.